What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now the kind folks over at Nomad have once again provided me with a case. This time it's something a little bit different. So this right here is the rugged case with slim link for iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is my blue titanium 15 Pro Max. As you can see right here, mobile by Peak Design. Nomad have teamed up with Peak Design to bring you this case, and also there's something else, so stay tuned for that. That's coming up right towards the very end of the video. Let's just take a little look around this. As you can see, it's black Nomad sign on the side right here. On the back of the box it's got mobile by Peak Design, slim link mounting system by Peak Design, groove sides for secure grip, fortified air bumper for 15-foot drop protection, slim and durable with MagSafe compatibility. Mounting accessories sold separately, and it shows it hitting the floor. We're going to take it out right now, but I do love Nomad's packaging. I also love the little Jeep climbing over the barcode. Such a nice touch. So let's just go ahead, open this up like so, and there is the case. So it is black. There is the new slim link mountain design by Peak Design. Let's just go ahead and take off the case. Okay, nothing else in the packaging. There's the MagSafe ring, and I'm thinking this is what the Peak Design cases feel like. It's almost like a jean, silky material. Feels really nice. Nomad branding, and of course the Peak Design branding right there. Got those groove sides for secure grip. There is really nice raised edges on this as well, obviously for the drop protection. On this side, Nomad branding, your ridged power button, nothing on the top, and then you cut out on the bottom. So let's just go ahead and slap in my 15 Pro Max. Let's just slap it in like so, and it is in nice and secure. I mean, look at that. That is a stunning looking case. Let me know what you think of that one from Nomad. It got a nice sort of plasticky feeling back, and then rubber silicone feel inside, but that grip on the side, the way it indents in, such a nice touch. Slim link in the middle right there for the accessories that you're going to be able to pick up. Of course, with it having the raised edges all the way around on each corner, and of course the cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, you can place it down like so and not have to worry about it. But also as well, around your screen is a nice raised up lip. I've actually got a screen protector on my phone right now. As you can see, it's actually raised above that, so I can place it face down and not have to worry about it neither. Of course it does have MagSafe, but let's test out those buttons. Nice and clicky. The action button, yeah, and the power button, nice and ridged. That's such a nice feeling case. But you know what we have to check right now, and we have to check that MagSafe. So let's start with the MagSafe battery pack. Let's slap it on the back like so, and there we go. So it is charging. And shake test. And that ain't coming off. Bring in the Nomad base stand. Nice Nomad base stand, super heavy. And let's slap on the back. Okay, so let's raise it up. I'm gonna put my hand underneath. Boom. No issues whatsoever. It's wirelessly charging, and it picks up the base stand, and as I say, the base stand's super heavy. Probably one of the better cases you can get, especially for drop protection and protection all around. I mean, that's going to save your phone in case you actually drop it. But of course, Nomad and Peak Design sent me over this. So this right here is the creator kit. It's got, you can attach this to Arca tripods, capture clips, GoPro mounts, obviously normal tripod heads on the adapter. You can have your phone in landscape or portrait. Requires Peak Design phone case sold separately, which we of course have. So let's just go ahead and peel this off at the bottom. Let's just go ahead and open this up, and there we go. So let's pull that, and there we go, there's that. So nothing else in the box. Mobile by Peak Design, and it's got a creator kit leaflet, and shows you all the things you can do on how to install it to various different pieces. Huge thank you to Nomad and Peak Design obviously for sending this over. I truly appreciate it. It's going to go well with the case. So what else we got here? You've got an actual GoPro mount anyway. Let's take a look at this. And does this? No, it has two grippy buttons in the middle right here. So let's go ahead and slap it onto the back of the phone. Let's go that way. And it clicks in. So it's just literally just clicked in like so. Obviously you can hold your phone like this, like a little mini tripod. Let me see if I can extend this out the way. So let's bring that up out the way like so. Attach the screw back in. There we go. And then you can literally clip the clips like so, pull it off, and place it back on like that, and then you're able to film that way. As you can see, you got the Peak Design logo right here. Then you got the two clips right here that you just literally lift, and it peels itself up. You've got a nice rubbery base to protect your case and stuff, and then you got the Peak Design logo right in the middle. But you literally just slap it into place like so, and then you can hold your phone like that, or you can hold it in the portrait style as well. Comes with another mounting system right here. Right, okay, so this one right here is for the Arca tripod. So this is what they use. This is the Peak Design tripod. So that goes into there, and that's able to screw and stabilize it. And then you have this mount right here that you can replace that one with. And this one is your normal GoPro style mount. So you put the screw in here, but this one attaches to your normal tripods, etc. So it just goes, basically screws in, and it attaches on, and you use the case in this as your accessory of choice. So let me see if I can take this off, and I'll replace it with the normal GoPro mount just so you guys can see. So there is a normal one. You'd screw this onto like a normal tripod head, and this one you would use with the Arca tripod and the capture clip, as obviously it goes into the back right here using these little sort of grooves that Peak Design invented. Peak Design logo in the middle right there. So there's that one, that would be for the Arca tripod and your capture clip, and then this one would be for all your normal everyday use, those that don't have that type of tripod or the capture clip. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is there something that you consider going for with the creator kit, and to be able to use it with different things? I mean, I'm hoping to get the capture clip and stuff in, as this will look great on a backpack, you know, when you're trying to film stuff. I've wanted one for a while, when I've been doing, like, trying to do POV style stuff, when you're trying to get B-roll shots, you know, for the other channel, for the Orlando channel, when like you're boarding a plane and you don't want to be doing this because people are getting told off now for using the phones. So something like this where it's just attached to you, people won't know any different. They'll just think that it's just your phone there ready for you to pick up if it's someone rings, but little do they know you're actually recording. So yeah, so let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Nomad and Peak Design working together, and I've made a fantastic case, the mobile creator kit, to add to this case, so you don't need any other extra pieces. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think that's absolutely superb, and I will be using it going forward. Huge thank you to Nomad and Peak Design for both sending this over. I truly appreciate it. I'll leave links in the description to where you can pick these up for yourself. Might be my links, won't cost you any extra, it'll be just exactly what you pay. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.